Good day and welcome to the channel. In this short video, we're going to explain how to change the battery in a Cadillac key fob like this one. Now, a couple of quick things to note. Firstly, what you'll need is to know how to take it apart. And what you want to do is push this little button on the side and then eject the key. Just slide the key out. And when you watch other videos or talk to other people, they'll tell you what you do is you take the key and you twist. You don't pry up, you twist. And let me tell you why that's a bad idea and why doing what I did is also a bad idea. And the reason is I've already pulled this apart and you can see here that the key slot goes in like that. So if you're twisting it, you're just going to break the channel that the key slides into. And you can see it's already been damaged on this key fob. I went to the dealer. Actually, I hadn't broken it at this point, but you can go. I went to the dealer and they couldn't get it open. And so then I just got frustrated and I popped it up and I tore the plastic. So in case you're wondering what that goo is, yeah, I used a glue gun to put it back because I don't want to have that notch come out because this is a $300 key fob. Okay, so how should you actually open it up? Okay, so you take your key apart. Right, you take your key out like we just said, and then the proper answer is right there. There's a little tiny gap. Put a small screwdriver in and twist. Put a small screwdriver in and twist. And hopefully that will pry it open. And let me show you what's on the inside of that so you can understand. The idea is that you're prying right here, okay? And that is what the dealer eventually did to get this thing open. So you're prying right here, and that is the thickest part of the plastic, and that means it won't break. So that's what you want to do. Now, how to change the actual battery? Not very hard. Take any screwdriver and pop this out. And what you'll see is it's a standard 2032 battery, CR 2032. You can buy 2032s everywhere from even some corner stores, but your grocery stores often will have them. Certainly any online retailer will have them. And this packet I bought off Amazon, I think I had 6 or 8 of them because this is also the same battery that you use in a PC. Put the large flat area in, as in down, and put it in so that it's at the smaller end of your key fob, and then click it down. There it goes, snaps right in. Then you can just snap this back together. You can see that there are 4 clips holding this in. That's really all there is. And then your key fob be good to go. There you go. Pop my key back in. And now I have a lovely key fob that isn't going to give me errors on the screen of my Cadillac telling me that the battery is low and needs to be changed. Hey, if you found this useful, big thumbs up would be appreciated. Subscribe's also always appreciated. And you can always get a hold of us at www.urtech.ca. That's www.urtech.ca. Thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.